Today I'm going to implement a VPN, which is a virtual private network. It extends a private network across a public network such as the internet. I will click on Start, Administrative Tools, Server Manager, select Roles, Add Roles, click Next, select Network Policy and Access Service, click Next, click Next again, select Network Policy Server and Routing and Remote Access Services, click Next, click Install. Now here you can see that my Network Policy and Access Service has been installed successfully. Now I will click Close. I'll click on Start, Administrative Tools, Routing and Remote. I'll right click on my server, configure and enable routing and remote access. The wizard will populate. I'll click Next. I need to choose Custom Configuration. I'll click Next. VPN Access. I will click Next. I will click Finish. I will click OK. Routing and Remote Access. I'm going to start service. I will click on Ports. I will configure one mini port L2TP. Click Configure to 25 just for the sake of this tutorial. Click OK. Now click Yes. Same with one mini port SSTP. Click on Configure. Set it to 25. I will click OK. I'll click Yes. I will click Apply. Then I'll click OK. Now I'm going to click on Start again. Administrative Tools, Network and Policy Server, Expand Policies, right click on Network Policies, click on New, policy name, VPN policy, type of network access server. I will set it to remote access server. I will click Next. Now I will add some conditions. Click on Add. Go to select tunnel type. Double click on it. Select layer 2 tunneling protocol and point-to-point tunneling protocol. Click OK. Click on Next. Leave access granted. Click on Next. Uncheck Microsoft Encrypted Authentication version 2, and the user can change password after it has expired. Leave Microsoft Encrypted Authentication. I will click Next. Now this is to add some constraints to the policy. I want to add time and date restrictions. Select allow access. Click on edit. Now I want to choose the time and days when access is denied. So I have denied, and from 12 to 4 denied, whole week. Click OK. Click on next. Next I will click on encryption and uncheck basic and strong encryption and no encryption, and leave strongest encryption MPPE 128-bit. Leave that checked. I will click next and I will click on finish. Now I'm going to go to my Windows Vista machine and set up my connection. Click on start, click on connect to, click on set up a connection or network, select connect to a workplace, click next, select use my internet connection. I'll set up in connection later, select that. Now I'm going to type my IP address 192.168.0.1, my destination name. Click on next. I needed to type a username and password. I will click on create. Now domain here is optional. Click on create. The internet connection is ready to use. Click on close. Click on start. Control panel, network and internet, view network status and task, manage network connections, right click on Kent MPV connection, click on connect. Type my password. It's asking me for my password. Click on connect. Here you can see my network connection has been connected, and now I'm going to show you on which port it is connected. I'm back at my server and I'm looking for my active port. I refresh the list. Let me check again. Here you can see it's connected to WAMP mini port PPTP and my status is active. That concludes virtual private network implementation. Thank you for watching.